Hello guys, for today's session of cybersecurity and ethical hacking. Today our topics will be on again for reconnaissance, which is information gathering, where we have a lot of tools and techniques and tactics as well. Last time we talked about some tools, Google Hogs and Maltego, and today we need to talk about another strong application, okay, for information gathering. So what we'll go to the topics here. We'll go to the application. From application, we'll go to information gathering and go to Reconnaissance or Recon-ng. Okay, this application already pre-installed in the new Kali, but if you have old Kali, for example, don't worry, we can show you how to install it. First, we can go to the terminal and we can say sudo, which is super user apt. Before to go to apt install Recon-ng, we can say apt upgrade, update. Okay, after that we can do apt install recon. Okay, show me something else. Show me here options. So you see, those application I can install. But for me, recon dash ng. After that, enter. Okay, this is how to install it using what the command in the terminal, and very easy. The other way, which is also we know about it, we can go to Kali Linux, any website. Okay, we search for the same name, Recon ng GitHub, and we can see the first link, which is this one. Okay, and as usual we can copy the link, the code here. We copy the link, code here, and copy the link, then come back to the terminal. Okay, and we make maybe sudo, and if no issue, get clone, and then we will paste here the we need to copy the link. Okay, for example, copy, then come back here and paste selection. After that, enter. Okay, and Kali and so far. So I will cut because we have already installed this or be installed with the Kali Linux. Then we need to open it from application itself, information gathering, and go down and press on that application, or we can directly type the application name, Recon-ng, enter. It will work automatically. Okay, after that, here we can do some options. Let's make option, and I need to minimize a little bit my terminal until we can see the end of the okay. At any rate, we make enter. Okay, or we make the first thing we have to do, type question mark or help. Whatever you type, it will work for you. Show you the options here. So there are many options. Before that, let me explain to you about Recon-ng. It is a very powerful, flexible, open source reconnaissance tools. It was designed for web-based OSINT, which is open source intelligence activities. Also, it is written by in Python and has many modulars. I will see here. Here is a module interfaces with installed modules. That means we have a lot of modules. Okay, those modules it's customized for different purpose of gathering information. Some modules purpose for domain collection information, some for some domain, some folders, some for emails, some for even do attacks. Okay, they have a lot of modules, and there's a community who contribute with this. If you go to the website here, for example, go to the wiki, and you can read information about it. Okay, it can help you. You see, it give you all the information you need. Okay, also what we can say, we can just explain a little bit, because these tools, it has many features or many key features and functionalities. For example, as I mentioned, the modules, where we have to install the modules. How to install the modules? We need to use Marketplace. We search for the module, then install it for Marketplace, then we come to module and load these modules inside modules option commands. Okay, there's many things. We can, for example, back. We can type back if you go somewhere else. Let's say, how can I explain to you about back? I need first to go to some. Let's say go to Marketplace first, and in Marketplace I need to search. If you don't know, no, never mind, just write Marketplace and space, then tab double times and double click of the tab button like this, then you have the options. Okay, maybe you can make enter also, give you options: info, install, refresh, remove, search. Okay, install to install the modules, remove to remove the modules from your applications. So how to search for modules? Maybe I can search, and if I type something about web, I can find any module related to web. Let's make it open for any modules. Only search, enter. We can find all the modules available where we can install, download, install, and then load. Okay, or are not installed, updated. This is the time of updated. If you go to the new date, we are now to 25. If you go to 219, maybe the last update is 222, as we see here. Okay, 222. So there is a lot of modules, even they are working fine and gather a lot of sensitive information required by the ethical hackers or for the investigators as well. So just a disclaimer for you, please don't use these techniques I'm teaching you against any individuals or company. Only use it for your own educational purpose. Please, this is disclaimer, and I hope you bound with this disclaimer. And let's jump now to continue our teaching. So, for example, I need to install one. By the way, if you make install here, okay, and make all, you install all those modules, and easy for you to jump from one to one. So no need, because it will consume a lot of storage. Okay, and also maybe it will take more times, and it's better to install the things or the ones you need it. I will install about let me think. I already prepared here some, by the way. I will install about first one to be okay. Where is it? Who is okay? I will show you who is. But before that, I need to just tell you about something else. I need to tell you about spacework. This one, okay? Okay, we'll come back to the modulars here. Before that, spacework, it is a kind of environment, because, for example, you have a lot of projects. For each project, you give a name, okay? Space. Now, our project is, by the way, is default. The name is default. Now, make space work, space I'm not sure if I write space work. Okay, double click. We can make again double tap or question mark to verify the command. Where space space work, workspaces. Okay, workspaces. Like this, you can verify about the command. Just make a question mark or help. We'll type for all options. So now after that I make space, then I need double tap to see the option. I have my option. I can create a list. I found with the list how many space or workspace I have. Then I can load the one I need to work on it. Maybe I can remove it. So I need to create one. For example, create lab. I will make it as lab. Okay, the name of our new project or environment. Enter. Then I need to go again to workspace, and I need what? Double click on the tab to the options. I need to load. After load, I put the lab, which is my name I created of this environment. Enter. Okay, invalid name. So let me check. Work space, make a list. Enter. Okay, it is not created till now. So let's create again. Work space, create, and double. Okay, create. Make it, for example, new. Okay, enter. Now it's created. You see here is a new, the new environment. I make it or project. I make it new. Then I can work. I do all my work in this environment. So just I show you. Okay, I need to remove it and keep it as default and continue as default for your information. So how to do it? Again, workspace. Then as we double tap. Okay, remove, and the name of that one new. Enter, and we retain back as default. This is the one I need to show you. Again, question mark. We have, for example, dashboard. Dashboard, we did not do any activities. That's why we not find anything. So database, the interface with the other workspace database as well. Exit, how to exit, come back to, exit from the application itself. Back, as I show you, I will show you how to use this back. Let's talk about shell, for example. Shell, I can do shell and the command of the shell, because now I can use this application as shell, but first I need to type shell, then I use the command. Let's say ib if config okay, let's try if ibconfig it works here. I'm not sure. ibconfig, no, it is no. ibconfig is for Windows and ifconfig for Linux, just to show you the difference between them. Okay, so once you type shell, then you can type any command in, let's say ip. Enter. Show me the ip. For example, option router. Route. Okay, show me the route. So I can use this shell. After that, the command. Now we back and continue. The most important, we talk about marketplace and modules, then the exit and help and back and dashboard. Show, also we can use show. For example, show, make a double tap. We have options. Show what you need to see. Many options. Okay, you can select whatever. Maybe show companies. Maybe if you or contact. Then double tap. We have other options. Same options. Enter. Show you the contacts. Oh, very nice. You know, the first time I see this one. Show me Google. You know that before I start my session, I do a some test session about some modules, and it show me the things already saved in the repositories, okay, in the saved already, and show me this data by contacts. Because when I run in different countries as Amazon, as Google, as maybe more different company, it gather all the contacts for me and show me these contacts belong to which company. It's very strong option, by the way, okay. And whatever you run using modules, everything will be saved in your repositories. After that, you can make a report as an output, and then you can give your management, for example. And this application also, you can do attacks, look like brute force attack and other things. For us, just don't use, only use to your own education, please. So let's continue our education. So now I need to start with one. I will make marketplace, then search for who is, okay, enter. I have 5. I will select that one, for example, okay. What I will do, I will copy that one, I keep it with me, then again workspace, install, sorry, not workspace, I mean marketplace same, install, then the name, okay. I already passed. Install the path, okay, that one, copy and paste here, okay, enter. Now it is now installing, okay. Now how to verify install? Now I can go to modules, if you don't know, just type question mark and with the modules here, okay. Go to modules and type double click of the tab buttons, will found load, reload. So we need to reload because we already installed in our repositories, but we need to load in our load our modules, okay. Make load. After that, again we take the same name, okay. It's already gone. So let's go again up to take it back. This is the one, okay. This is the one. Copy again and paste here, okay. Enter. Now how you know it is already reloaded or loaded? We see the name here. So how it works, again make a question mark, if no, not question mark, this is internal commands. What we make, double tap, we can find that one I need to use, okay, same, okay. Sorry, I don't have enough time. I stop here. The session will be more long if I keep. So please check the next session. I show you how you use, install, load the modules, how to use it to gather information about the victim, the target as educational purpose. Thank you. See you next session.